The meetings page is where you'll be able to see all of the meetings that you and any of your colleagues have on their calendars. You can change the way meetings are displayed based on your preference with the View and Team Members filters at the top. Like other calendar providers, shaded meetings are confirmed and white meetings are pending. Additionally, you can book meetings for yourself or on behalf of your team members from the Create Meeting button. Once you've provided the participant details of the meeting, you're able to see mutual availability as well as add a custom note along with the invitation.
As event participants interact with you, your colleagues, and your company profile, they will become leads. You'll be able to review and qualify or disqualify them. Qualify a lead by showing interest or requesting a meeting, or disqualify them by skipping or taking no action. Answer your team's custom qualification questions, rate or comment on a lead to collaborate with your team.
Any messages that participants send to your company profile, you'll be able to see here. You can respond on behalf of the company by clicking on the chat button. Additionally, you will get a notification in your notification center for any new messages. Configure custom questions to leverage for quick and consistent lead qualification. Choose between single select, multi-select, or paragraph open text question formats. These answers will be included on any export from my team. Here you are able to see all of the members of your team for this event. There are two roles, admin and team member. If you are the admin, you can edit your colleagues' personal availability and profile, as well as make other colleagues admin. All team members are able to book meetings on behalf of each other, edit the company profile, and answer any company chat regardless of their role.
You'll be able to export your company's contacts and accepted meetings from the event. Both exports are available in a CSV or Excel file. Please make sure to qualify any leads before exporting your contacts.